Welcome to the QuipCheck Maintenance module, the complete solution bringing together all of your servicing and preventative maintenance processes. When it comes to preventative maintenance reminders, you most likely use a spreadsheet and whiteboard. With the QuipCheck Maintenance module, you put all of your information digitally in the hands of your mechanics and administrators. The Maintenance module provides many handy tools to simplify your preventative maintenance chores. Maintenance schedules. Here, you keep track of your servicing with our handy traffic light system. Whether by hours, kilometres, date, or any other type of interval, the traffic lights will alert your team to upcoming maintenance schedules. Service logs. These keep a comprehensive archive of every service or maintenance task performed on an asset. Service logs populate maintenance schedules automatically. Service logs can be tailored to work the way you work. Latest readings. An overview of every asset and its newest reading obtained via the QuipCheck app, portal and third-party integrated GPS trackers. We can track engine hours, odometer, hubbo, fuel level, or anything you may need to keep track of. Reported issues. The Maintenance module integrates with the Fleet module, pulling through all reported issues and faults identified by your operators via the QuipCheck app. Issues identified are also emailed directly to your list of recipients. This might include the workshop, supervisors, managers, or even external contractors. Tasks. These can be seen as your virtual whiteboard, providing a to-do list for all of your assets. You can easily view all pending tasks as a report or micromanage individual tasks by assigning them to the appropriate staff member. The QuipCheck app will send a notification directly to your staff when they've been assigned a task to get on top of it as soon as possible. For further information about the Maintenance module or to add it to your business, send us an email to sales@quipcheck.com or visit our website www.quipcheck.com and click the Contact Us button.